Here's a new unit, manufactured in, looks like June of 23. This is going in to replace the unit built in February of 2011. So, important to get something that's a new manufacturer, not just something off eBay, because there is a battery in here that goes flat and causes all of this mess with the error. And yeah, just get a fresh one. It's not worth messing with. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit more expensive. I think this unit was about $325 from Scudiera. And it took a little while to get here, but I don't wanna have to go back in here because there's an aging battery already in this thing. So we're just gonna go back right where it was, plug it in here. It sits in this little cradle. See the back hook, and then there's one right up here as well. You can see it right there. And hopefully that solves the issue. So we got a little 10mm. Just gotta tighten these up so it doesn't rattle on that cradle.